Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Epidemic. Epidemic means widespread occurrence of disease. For example, a flu epidemic. A flu epidemic. Synonyms: outbreak, plague, scourge.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The epidemic is not over yet. Now, repeat after me. The epidemic is not over yet. The second exemplar. We've been through pandemics and epidemics before. Now, repeat after me. We've been through pandemics and epidemics before. The third exemplar. A devastating epidemic can start in any country. Now, repeat after me. A devastating epidemic can start in any country.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterby.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.